Hi guys, so Sashoni here. So today I am meeting with my friends. I'm heading to Yokohama station because we are going to have a little link up, like after work link up, yeah, we haven't seen each other in a while, so we decided to go to like a restaurant. I think we're going to a Mexican restaurant in Yokohama. I'm tired. So yeah, I went home to put on my lunch kit because I never wanted to be walking up and down with that, because I'm not even sure where exactly the restaurant is gonna be, and I'm not even sure if we're going to the restaurant because I don't think we have anything concrete just yet. But yeah, that's pretty much it. British restaurant instead of the Mexican restaurant. Hey guys, so I am walking home now. I am sorry I didn't get to vlog that much, but the thing is we could not find the restaurant, the British restaurant, and we couldn't find a British restaurant, and then we pretty much just sat there and we just chat and ate. So there wasn't much to show. I'm sorry, but yeah, it was a fun night catching up with my friends, and yeah, so that's it for this vlog. I hope you enjoyed it, even though there wasn't much to enjoy. Give this video a thumbs up, please, thank you, and subscribe to my channel. Let me know if you have any questions that you'd like me to answer. Let me know if there's any video that you'd like me to do, and yeah, that's it. So bye guys.